Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious hazelnut cake. Everything starts with good ingredients. All right, it's time to cook properly. Stay with me, I'll show you every step. Now, we add the flour. This gives the cake its structure. Mix gently, don't rush it. This is hazelnut, this is the flavor. Mix it well so the taste spreads everywhere. Whisk it well, this is where the texture is made. Perfect, ready for the oven. Let the magic happen. Hey, come over, I'm making a hazelnut cake. I've got a surprise for you. A hazelnut cake? I'm on my way, don't start without me. Now we make it smooth, nice and creamy. Where's the cake? I can't wait! Right here, come and see. This is perfect. Try it, it's so creamy. Wow, the hazelnut flavor is amazing. And that's how we make a delicious hazelnut cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.